Welcome to the vibrant world of apricots, nature's golden treasures. Bursting with flavor and packed with health benefits, these sun-kissed gems offer a delightful blend of sweetness and nutrition. Whether you're savoring them fresh off the tree, enjoying them as a dried snack, or using them to enrich your favorite recipes, apricots are sure to add a splash of color and a dose of health to your daily diet. Let us look at the top 8 health benefits of apricots. At number 1. Improves eye health. The high levels of vitamin A and vitamin E in apricots can be beneficial for eye health. Vitamin A is essential for the maintenance of healthy vision, while vitamin E is an antioxidant that helps protect the eyes from free radical damage. At number 2. Improves digestive health. Apricots are high in fiber, which can help to regulate bowel movements and prevent constipation. Fiber also aids in overall digestive health by maintaining a healthy gut environment. At number 3. Improves skin health. The antioxidants and vitamins in apricots can be beneficial for skin health. Vitamin C, in particular, is involved in the production of collagen, which helps keep the skin firm and healthy. At number 4. Improves heart health. The potassium and fiber in apricots contribute to cardiovascular health. Potassium helps regulate heart rate and blood pressure, while fiber can help lower cholesterol levels. At number 5. Improves bone health. Apricots contain several minerals, including calcium, phosphorus, and manganese, which are important for maintaining bone health and preventing disorders like osteoporosis. At number 6. Improves liver health. Some studies suggest that apricots may have benefits for liver function and can help protect the liver from oxidative stress and damage. At number 7. Helps prevent cancer. The antioxidants in apricots, such as beta-carotene, might play a role in cancer prevention. These compounds help neutralize harmful free radicals and can reduce the risk of some types of cancer. And finally, at number 8. Helps with hydration. Fresh apricots contain a significant amount of water, which can help keep you hydrated, particularly during hot weather or after exercise. Including apricots in your diet can be a tasty way to enjoy these health benefits. Apricots have even made it into space. On the Apollo 15 mission, astronauts enjoyed apricot food bars as a part of their meals. Let apricots be a sweet part of your wellness journey, inspiring a harmonious blend of health and happiness in every delicious bite. For related articles and updates, look at the description below. We hope you found this video useful. Please like and subscribe to keep connected. Thank you.